first a virus many feel is spreading like wildfire. Coronavirus cases climbing.
But with the voices of those tasked to lead us through this crisis, they can't seem to agree on where Arizona stands in all this. ABC 15's Nicole Valdez joins us live. And Nicole, the question then becomes, are we hearing more politics than real facts?
Yeah, Katie Faye, more and more elected leaders showcasing information on Arizona's cases, deaths, and more. But we're seeing different numbers that paint a different picture published by leaders who have different political opinions. If you're confused on what's true and what's not when it comes to Arizona's handle on COVID-19, you're not the only one.
We have capacity.
We know that our hospitals are filling up.
We are not seeing an increase in patient volume.
Day after day, more mixed messages, and Monday, more of the same. Congressman Greg Stanton tweeting, "It's spreading like wildfire," but Andy Biggs having none of that, calling the statement fear-mongering.
Having information where the hospitals say one thing and the administration says another thing is concerning for people. It makes them lose confidence.
Andy Slavitt, the former lead health advisor for the Obama administration, says confusing Arizonans doesn't help.
The fact that there are infections, the fact that there's case growth is not something that in and of itself any governor needs to be embarrassed with, nor is it necessarily a political decision on how you respond.
Here's what's clear. Arizona is open and few restrictions are still in place. So while a packed club in Scottsdale may upset some, it's allowed. But should we be doing more than just preparing for the worst?
Do we have enough ventilators? Do we have enough hospital beds? I don't think that's the question. I think the question is, can we care for people and keep them from dying?
And local leaders desperate for an opportunity to step in and do just that.
It's not a one-size-fits-all world. Each of us has different challenges.
Pima County Supervisor Sharon Bronson, along with other Southern Arizona representatives, writing to Governor Ducey asking for local control, even though this was Ducey's stance just last week.
I will continue to believe that the government closest to the people is best, except in a global pandemic.
They, along with many health experts, want to mandate face masks and want to make following CDC guidelines more than just a recommendation. So are we doing better or are we getting worse? Well, no matter what is said on either side of the aisle, the only scientific answer comes from those case numbers and research. Katie?